Pressure pushing down on me, pressing down on you. No man has fall. Under pressure, brings a building down, strips a family in two, puts people on.
Chemistry is the study of the specifics of matter. Matter has 4 states: solids, liquids, gases, and plasma. Gases is one of the main states of matter. Gas is everywhere. We breathe it. We use it. We create it. Gases have many properties. Unlike solids and liquids, gas has no definite shape or volume. For volume, gases expand to fill its container. But the opposite can also go where it compresses into its container. Gas is also able to do the opposite of this, which is being able to be easily compressed. Compressibility is the measurement of the decrease in volume of matter when under a certain amount of pressure. Gases are easily compressed due to the space between the particles. The amount of gas, volume, and temperature are all factors of this pressure.
Under pressure.
When you go to get your tire refilled, they check for the amount of pressure in the tire, not exactly the amount of gas. This is because one of the factors of pressure is the amount of gas. As the amount of gas increases, as does the pressure within the tire. Thus, they can check the amount of air within the tire with the pressure.
Pressure pushing down on me, pressing down on you. No man has fall. Under pressure, brings a building down, strips a family in two, puts people on streets.
Another factor that can affect pressure is volume, which can be described within Boyle's law, which is, for a given mass of gas at constant temperature, the volume of the gas varies inversely with the pressure. This basically states that the volume helps define the pressure. Like how this bike pump works. When you push down on the handle, this causes the volume to decrease, thus causing the pressure to increase and go through the valve into the bike tire. With the help of Boyle's law and this factor, and after a few minutes of hard work, you're ready to ride.
Pressure pushing down on me, pressing down on you. No man has fall.
Is temperature. On a nice hot day like this, temperature is pretty high, thus causing the atoms within the ball to get excited and hitting the outsides of the container, which is the ball in this case. Them hitting the wall causes more pressure to build up inside, so as the temperature rises, the atoms get more excited, and as does the pressure, and thus why it seems more inflated and fun to play with. Now that we're in a climate-controlled room where it's colder inside, the ball begins to deflate due to the atoms within the ball beginning to slow down, thus causing less pressure within the ball. And not as easy to play with. Not a very fun ball.
Pressure pushing down on me, pressing down.
We use gases every day. Without gases, we wouldn't even be here today. Gases have many properties, such as compressibility, which is the measurement of how much the decrease of volume is when the matter is under a certain amount of pressure. And the factors of this pressure are amount of gas, volume, and temperature. All these factors and properties come together and help us to build a better world of science.
Under pressure. Pressure